Hi, friends. So many of us have often heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But sometimes when it comes to making high protein, low calorie breakfasts to aid you on a weight loss journey, you might feel like you have no idea where to start. And so in today's video, I want to keep it short and I want to share 3 low calorie protein packed breakfasts that are delicious and that are easy to make, especially during a busy work week. So without further ado, let's get started. Breakfast number 1, you can make a Greek yogurt parfait. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab 1 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. And I do recommend plain yogurt versus a flavor because oftentimes the flavored yogurts add sugar and flavoring, which means they're adding extra calories. And so grab, again, 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. You're going to grab a 1/4 cup of high-protein granola. Again, you're looking for granola that has about 10 grams of protein per serving and a 1/2 cup of any sort of mixed berries that you enjoy. So personally, I think that strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries go very well with plain Greek yogurt, but you can choose any berry or heck, you can choose any fruit that you enjoy. So maybe you want to do a tropical Greek yogurt parfait where you have pineapple and mango and kiwi, or maybe you do stick to berries, or maybe you stick to melon or any fruit that you enjoy. So when you add all 3 of those ingredients together, it's going to roughly create a breakfast that is anywhere from about 250 to 300 calories, depending on the calories and the protein you choose. And that should have about 30 grams of protein in it. So I do want to stress this is a great breakfast idea because it's rich in protein. It has plenty of probiotics to help your gut move efficiently, and it adds extra flavor with the berries and with the fruit on top of just plain Greek yogurt, which can sometimes be a little bit boring. Now, second breakfast option is to create a turkey and veggie egg scramble. So what you're going to do for that is you're going to get 3 large egg whites and mix them with 1 whole egg. Then you're going to get a 1/4 cup of lean ground turkey meat, as well as a 1/2 cup of diced veggies. So I really like broccoli, bell peppers, mushrooms, zucchini, but choose any veggie that you want, and a teaspoon of olive oil. You're going to pre-cook the ground turkey, so brown it first, then whisk together the eggs with the cut veggies, put everything into a skillet, and voila, in about 10 minutes or so, you have an easy protein-packed breakfast that's anywhere from about 220 to 250 calories with about 25 grams of protein. Now, a little fun fact, if you want to make things easier for yourself, you can definitely portion out ahead of the time all of the vegetables and the ground turkey into like baggies or storage containers. And then in the morning, all you need to do is dump that and mix it with the eggs and it's ready to go. Another way you can make that even easier is to use frozen vegetables. Those are very easy to just throw into the microwave on a busy morning and then add that to your egg scramble. And then last but not least, the third recipe I want to share is for what I like to call Proatmeal, and that is protein oatmeal. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a 1/2 cup of rolled oats. You're going to combine that with 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Any brand that you choose is fine. You're going to mix that with a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk plus a 1/2 cup of water. So mix all 3 of those ingredients well together, put them into the microwave for about 2 minutes or so, and then top it with an optional topping of a tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter. So that breakfast is going to run you anywhere from about 250 calories without the protein or the peanut or almond butter, or about 300 calories with, and it's going to give you anywhere from 25 to 30 grams of protein. And why I love this breakfast is that it is warm. So personally, when I'm recording this video, it's January in Michigan. It's cold, it's winter. It is a warm and satisfying breakfast that, again, combines slow digesting carbs that are going to keep you filled with that extra boost of protein. So I want you to share in the comments below, which of these 3 high-protein breakfast options are you going to try first? Let me know, and I'm also going to share the URL to a link on our website where you can sign up to receive a free ebook that contains at least 10 recipes that you can make in 20 minutes. So some more breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, dinner ideas, snack ideas, even a healthier dessert idea. So if you're looking for more meal ideas, I've got you covered in the comments below. As always, if you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we will chat more next week.